So for my lesson plan, I did a closed word sort for first grade. For the standard and learning goals, the standard area would be CC.1.1, Foundational Skills. Students gain a working knowledge of concepts of print, alphabetic principle, and other basic conventions. So the standard that I chose was the CC.1.1.1.D. It says to know and apply grade level phonics and word analysis skills in decoding words. Identify common constant digraphs, final E and common vowel teams, decode 1 and 2 syllable words with common patterns. Read grade level words with inflectual endings, and read grade appropriate irregularly spelled words. So for the objective, for my condition, I put the students will complete the closed word sort activity up with me during our small group reading lesson. They will be cutting out their word sorts and then place them in the categories I had given them, since it is a closed word sort, to see if they understand the idea behind it. They will then try to read every single word to me. For the behavior, the students have a story that goes along with their word sort. The story is called Pick and Jig. They will sort the words that have ending sounds of AN, AT, and AG. And then again, they will read the words to me. For a degree of mastery, I'll be giving a spelling test on Fridays to see if they practice their words at home and also during word work. So the students will be with me at the table during small groups using our Pick and Jig book to sort their word sort into the 3 categories of AN, AT, and AG. And they will be able to spell their word sort words by Friday of each week. So for the essential questions, mine was, why learn new words, and what strategies and resources does a learner use to figure out unknown vocabulary? For the rationale, I put that this ongoing activity helps students learn new vocabulary words by allowing them to work with it for a week. They have done this since kindergarten and they know the gist of it by now. This activity will get them ready for reading using the knowledge they have. They will learn more vocabulary words. They will grow their words and grow their reading skills. So for the activity, the students know their group color, and if they can forget, I will put it on the smartboard and what the activity is. This should be around 15-20 minutes. During Daily 5, they have 5 centers that they go to. During small group with me, they will cut and sort on Mondays and also read. They will sort their words and then read them to me so I can see where they may struggle with. So on Mondays, it may take around 20-25 minutes for them to do this. Other days, 15 tops. So list of materials and equipment needed. Scissors, their Pick and Jig book, paper bags that they keep their sort in, trash can for cleaning up scrap paper. Teacher I will get the papers ready to hand out to them. I will always let the students know how to carry the scissors. I will never let them cut close to their face or others, and then let them only cut the paper. So for procedures, I will use a Jack Hartman song that deals with learning new vocabulary words. The kids will come to my table during small group. We will go over the Pick and Jig book and then over the chapter we're reading that day. I will go over the week's closed word sort and hand out the papers for them. They will cut their sort. They will start sorting their sort, and then I'll check to see where they're at. And they'll make connections between the book of the chapter that week and then their word sort of that week as well. And on Fridays, they'll do a test. So I will every Friday do a spelling test to see if they study their words and if they're able to pick out on the sounds and put them together. So the book would be a Pick and Jig. The website I found was very great for vocabulary. And then the app I used was ABC Mouse, which is definitely an amazing app to use to learn vocab and to put words together. So for adaptions, if students need accommodation, I will work more one-on-one with them or even modify what I give them. And then as I go on, I will give them what they need. So I will send them a paper home with their parents to practice their word sort with. Going back to my adaptions, I will try my best to infiltrate every child and to get them used to doing the word sort. So that's how I would be doing mine.